At CET King, we are launching our 30 days to CAT program and kick off for the CET exam. CET program will be starting from scratch and CAT ka workshops, in which my focus is mainly on the strategies so that I can maximize my score, especially focus on the G strategy. So 30 DLR का set will go through 30 DLR का set. उनमें से कोई आ गया तो अपनी पार्टी, simple. Quant shortcuts and verbal type of questions which are there. So based on this G strategy is the plan which we are going to have 30 days. In case you want to join our program, you can call us on any of the numbers given here. Hey guys, all of us are waiting for the CAT mock test to out. I check the site every day because mid-October was a date which was earlier told to us, but now as per the latest information from the CAT conveyor, this might be delayed. And all of us are waiting for main thing in that. I don't want the mock paper because the mock paper is always useless. But what we're waiting for is the number of questions which are going to be in the mock. That is very, very important for us, not the interface, because all of us have the same mocks. Because those are taking CET mocks, all of our mocks have the same format of the actual CAT exam. Okay, so we are waiting for the number of questions. So, but as per the reply from the CAT conveyor, let's check out the reply. So according to Professor Lavlikar, no CAT generally do not reveal the number of type of question paper. CAT mock test is there so that the candidate can familiarize themselves with the different type of question, basically the format. It would become available on the CAT website sometime in October end or November beginning. So don't expect the mock paper before November end and October beginning. All the students, all the coaching classes are also waiting for that, because we also have to change the mocks accordingly. So we are also waiting for that information to come. But as far as this thing goes, this is as per the data I've taken from Career 360 site, in which sir have said, professor have said that number of questions will not be revealed, but CAT mock will be out by October end or November beginning. So anyway, our number of questions फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. बार बार मैं एक ही चीज़ कह रहा हूँ कि it doesn't make a difference. Main thing what matter is 40 minutes का time. Fine, trust me yaar, if you have 40 minutes for the DLR section, number of sets are 6 or 5, doesn't make a difference to you. Fine, जो तुम्हें आता है तो solve करो ना, चलेगा. तो 5 है, 6 है, 4 है, doesn't make a difference. Timer is the main factor in this year for the CAT exam. Fine, so don't wait for the number of questions to come and then you start giving your mocks and then you strategize yourself. We will plan the strategy ASAP. ठीक है. But as of now, let's take it for granted कि 40 मिनट्स है अपने पास, इसके ऊपर अपन को खेलना है, rather than waiting for CAT mock to come, because they are saying by October end or November beginning, so we have another 15 days to wait. तो इतना वेट क्यों करने का? ठीक है, start with the mocks ASAP, don't waste your time, strategize as per the 40 minutes, not as per the number of questions. Alright, all the best. Alright, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to our channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join our program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.